I changed the light bulb on this KTM 990 into this LED one. This is supposed to have 2200 lumens. It's a direct fit. Here you can also see how the bulb is inside the casing. So you have 3 slots over here, and then you will have 3 on the light as well. It slides in like this, and then you have this one. So if the main assembly of the light is still in the bike, it's quite hard to get a clear view of how it's connected. So this one goes here and here. That will keep the thing in place. Do not break this one as I did. I tried to remove it when this one, the whole assembly was still in the bike, and I didn't know how it was connected, so I broke this small tab underneath. Here you can see that this one will adjust the light. Now I put some silicone over here also, because I have been getting some moisture inside of the lamp. So this should fix it. Now let's fit it on the bike. There is also this plastic cover that goes over the light bulb. So it's protected from the outside. Like that. This one is for the parking light. Now if we go on the bike, there are 4 bolts. One over here, one over here, here and here. These are the ones that keep the light in place. There is the parking light, and here is the connector for the main light. Here is the adjustment for the height of the light. It will connect in this one here. So basically it comes from the side into this small Torx bolt over here. So you will put it like this. Right. These small ones are T20 Torx. So the next thing, this one on. It only goes one way. So, and then we need to get that W5W light. Now is a good time to test that the lights actually work. Yeah, this one works and this one works as well. Now I put this on the side through the small hole. I think it's easier if you pull this one out and try to put this one first. This might be a bit of a pain in the ass. Okay, it's set right in. So looks like that. That one looks like that. Next thing, slide the small tab over here. I think you will have to use 2 hands because you need to rotate this as well. Yeah. So now it's in. You can test it. Yep. Now next, the 4 bolts or the screws. Next up is this big bit. So this one goes over the mask. There are slots for the turning signals, and these ones have the silver bolts, and the rest of the tightening spots use the black screw. Let's get these out. So it's fixed from here. It's basically the same on the other side. Here. And then you have a couple of these which will be connected on another piece, and then you have two that are a bit hidden. Yeah, basically under there, so they bolt from this way into the mask. Here is one also. That should be it. Well, the tube from behind. Yeah. Next up is these two pieces which connect the front fairing on the bike itself. Front fairing on the tank, I mean. These ones were a bit tricky to align. So something like that, yeah. And they will be connected with the silver bolts. So these ones. Just like that. And the last is this white ones. Let's see if I remember how they connected. Yeah, so there you go. underneath this one. And they bolt through a couple of spots. I'll use this small. Let's see if I can wiggle it down. Just like that. And then you will have screw. It's pretty hard to see. It goes from here to there. Another one which comes from underneath. Yeah. You might be able to see. Don't do as I did and forgot this too. So the face mask is also connected from here. This big thing over here. So also from there. Last bolts were this 4 one over here and the other side. And then of course the 5 ones for the screen. Let's see how it looks. Quite nice. Damn, it might be a bit too bright. Lower it a bit. Another mod I did this winter was this steering damper. Here is the light switch for the gibbies. Then I have this Carpi Brembo 19 RCS from my old Aprilia track bike. Doesn't completely fit, you will have to cut some out from this. I have also a problem with the handcars when I'm riding in a track, because it is hard to get a nice screwdriver grip. You can't ride like this on track. You will have to go like this. And then this is on the way. One more mod is this 12-volt outlet. This is for my Givi backpack, and here's the thing where I put my GPS when I'm on the track days. Here you can see the other side of the 12-volt outlet. And then I have a couple of chargers inside the box. God damn it, that has bad magnets. Yeah. Came out nice. Nynnäk. Toivottavasti ei ole liian